Hi, my name is Aditya Rathore and I'm an assistant professor of law at BML Munjal University. I teach legal methods and philosophy of law. I got here, I started teaching. I won't say it was something I was interested in as a student. In fact, to be very honest, while I was a student, I sincerely thought that I will burn down all my books the day I graduated. It just so happened that I got a professor in my final year. I really liked the subject. He asked me to become his teaching assistant, and somewhere there, the love for teaching started. And I would say it was the love for teaching which actually eventually made me learn law in much more depth. I don't think so. I started studying law and then became a teacher. In fact, I would say it was the other way around for me. I know that the name philosophy of law may sound a little counterintuitive because lawyers are supposed to be actually arguing in courts and not, discussing philosophy. But until and unless a student understands that why a law is made in a certain manner, or how is it that different laws get executed through involvement of various public officials, even judges, how courts decide to interpret laws in a particular manner, it's difficult for a law student to get a holistic idea of the functioning of law. I do not believe in teaching only theory of law. I believe in teaching through problems because in real life, students have to be problem solvers. And this is an approach which is followed in all law courses taught here at BMU. The aha moment for me is when I can make students answer their own questions while acting only as a medium. They ask questions, I keep asking them questions back, and then they give answer to their own questions. My schooling has happened in more than one places. My dad was in army, so we were moving around. But last few years I spent in Pune. After that, I went to National Law School of India University at Bangalore. And from there, I went on to do my master's at Azim Premji University, again in Bangalore. I think apart from having a good engagement in classroom, what I really enjoy is running, cooking, and watching movies and analyzing them, because it is engagement of the same skill which you use in classroom. So I think movie analysis is something I really enjoy.